What's up, boys? We're back, finally back in LA. Dude, the streets here look so nice. Man, I freaking miss this place. Freaking miss this car. Well, anyways, welcome back to another video, boys. We're back from Germany. Oh my gosh. Dude, I miss this car so much, but we're basically back, man. That trip was crazy. I mean, the first week of me being there, I got robbed. Well, I didn't get robbed, my colleague got robbed. And luckily I was able to steal both his phones back from the people that robbed us. But that was not even the bad part, dude. Like 3 days later, same dudes see us and they chase us down, and I'm like, dude, we need to freaking switch hotels. But like that's like the long story short. I rented out an M4 40i. Sadly, I didn't make any videos on the Autobahn, but I did go like around 160 on the Autobahn, dude. It's so different than here, dude. It's crazy. Oh man, freaking missed this car, but I'm finally back. I'm only gonna be back for like 3 weeks, and then I need to go back to Germany again, same exact spot. But I hope you guys enjoyed those 4 weeks worth of videos. I literally filmed all those videos in 1 week, dude. It was way too much. What are you doing, bro? It doesn't pop, dude. It's so like, it sucks. Dude, those turbos sound crazy. Those turbos sound crazy. Oh, dude, the weather here is so different, dude. I freaking love California. Even though the taxes sucks and stuff, it's the vibe here is so different than any other place I've ever been, dude. I've lived in Chicago, I've been to Arizona, I've been to Nevada, and something about California, dude, is just like, I wish taxes didn't suck so much here, dude. Honestly. I cannot wait to put a cap back on this. It's gonna sound crazy if I put a cap back on this freaking car. Like, it already sounds so good, but dude, it's gonna sound even crazier. Definitely for this next trip of Germany, I'll probably try to get a little clip of me on the Autobahn. I had to bring my head cam, and honestly, bro, getting equipment there is like super annoying. I couldn't even get a head cam for myself, even if I probably wanted to. I don't know, like, the shipping there is different. The stores there's not a lot of like equipment there, so like, dude, I love America, bro. I love the US. Germany's awesome, dude, but there's just so much more here, dude. It's amazing. And the streets, the streets is like the #1 thing. Driving the streets there sucks so much. It's unreal. Like, dude, finding a street with 2 lanes, that's like a gold mine. Imagine that, bro. This is 3 freaking lanes. Dude, there's some streets that are like just a little bit less than 2 lanes. Some parts of the road you have to like let cars through because you won't fit. Oh my goodness. Dude, I love how green California gets, man. Sick. Definitely one day I want to like fully build this engine, upgrade the turbos as well, tune it so it's even louder. once I make a bunch of dough on the side, I'm gonna freaking do that for sure. Pretty much all the money I make from trading, my goal is to probably just reinvest 50% of it. Because if I don't, I mean, I just, like with the money, with the job I have right now, I can for sure buy a house, and I'm probably gonna use the money I get from the job to buy a house, but use all the money from trading just to reinvest all of it. Dude, the turbos sound amazing. Since I have traction control off, it was pulling the, dude, this, why is it so beautiful here, bro? Gosh, I freaking love California. That roar is crazy. That roar is crazy. Nah, dude, that is crazy. I cannot believe I have a V8 foreign, dude. And honestly, dude, you guys have been, every single V8, every single video of my M5 now does so amazing. It's like kind of unreal. Like, it's doing better than the Hellcat now. The Hellcat's not as hyped as these M5s is what I've noticed, man. Just gotta make more and more money to just buy these cars like it's nothing. I have to, bro. I have to. It's freaking beautiful here, dude. Dude, that is unreal, man. I really hope one day I could collab like with those like Russian YouTubers that have M5s as well. The power in this car is so sick. I'm just so happy that I can like also rape these cars because I have the warranty I have is so OP. And I mean, going Catless doesn't affect the engine. If anything, it makes it flow better. I think, my opinion, from what I heard. I could be wrong. Dude, I can't get over this car, man. You know, everyone that's watching this video, make sure, you know, if you guys want to buy a car like this, try to make good investments. Like, if I were you guys, you know, I think like the book Rich Dad Poor Dad talks about, you know, getting tax write-offs and using the tax write-offs to buy cars. And the only way to get tax write-offs is like invest. So my goal this year is actually to buy some type of house, some kind of duplex, not in California, probably like Texas or Arizona, and start some kind of rental business on the side. Try flip some houses, or even like flip the house I'm renting out. Like I'm gonna try a bunch of different things. This car sounds freaking amazing. No, I don't think I'm ever gonna get over this car. But yeah, my goal is just to, like, definitely, before any of you guys buy a car, like, obviously buying real estate is like, could be a little bit risky and stuff, but it's a better investment than buying a car in my opinion. But I don't think buying any house is a good investment. I mean, like, for example, if you buy a house right now, interest rate 6%, getting a freaking like $800,000 loan with 6%, like, I don't know, man. It's kind of, I feel like at that point it's not that smart. I think once interest rates get cheaper or lower, I don't know, man. I know that people say buy a house before the interest drop, because once interest rates drop, it's gonna, you know, the demand's gonna go back up, and I'm sure that's the case for sure. But I feel like so I'll give you an example. Like, I've been looking at commercial properties, and I noticed that like literally 4 or 5 months ago, this what I'm saying right now is the reason why I'm not buying a house yet. Is there was a commercial property that I was looking at. It was worth like 1.8 mil, and it was for one of my buddies that wants to get one. And now it's worth 1.5 mil in literally like 4 to like 6 months. So things are still dropping, and I think I'm gonna keep waiting for things to really like fully settle. And I think there's always gonna be time to buy a house. I mean, dude, like from everyone I've talked to, how the way houses have fluctuated, like it comes down and goes up. And obviously houses never get as cheap as like 50K, you know, obviously, but they still drop quite a good amount. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.